Hi, my name's Dr. Janet Brill. I'm a nutritionist. I'm also a best-selling author. And I wanted to tell you my story about my experience with Becca and PowHER bands. During the pandemic, I was probably like everyone else and let my healthy lifestyle kind of go down the drain. Not getting to the gym was very depressing, and so I gained weight, and I was pretty sad there for a while until my girlfriend told me about Becca and her PowHER bands class, and how it was only 17 minutes a day and how great it was. So I said, okay, signed up, and I love it. I think I love the camaraderie. I love Becca, who's so supportive and so wonderful, and it's really changed my life. So I want to thank you, Becca, and I will keep doing my PowHER bands at home for 17 minutes a day. Thank you so much. I love your program.